Hello everyone, Ravneet Phala welcomes you back to her channel. Today let us learn how to bake an easy eggless semolina chocolate cake recipe in air fryer that makes a perfect go-to snack on a holiday. The travel-friendly suji cake tastes delectable when out of the oven and continues to intensify in flavor with time. This is one fail-proof recipe that you want to try out immediately to give your family a healthy snack that tastes yum and stays good at room temperature for at least 4 to 5 days. So let us get started with this easy suji cake recipe with jaggery. Many of you ask what jaggery I prefer. Here's one of my favorite brands. No, I'm not sponsoring this brand, but just wanted to share what I use. So for this recipe you need 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, and if you do not have jaggery powder you may use grated jaggery for suji cake. Mix with 1/4 cup of malai or cream that floats on top of milk. Malai gives the semolina eggless cake richness and of course taste. But if you want to use less fat, take 2 tablespoons of malai or oil and 2 tablespoons of thick curd or hung curd, and I have already shared a video on making quick hung curd at home. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Start whipping until mixed. I wanted to make the cake without baking powder and soda, so creamed it a little too much. So much that the milk curdled. But it did not fail the recipe. However, I suggest whipping only until it looks all mixed up. Now add 1/4 cup of water and mix again. Next, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder goes in. Then add 1/4 cup of homemade almond flour or powder mix. I have posted a video to make almond flour at home already. Do check it out. Find the link in description. Let us add half cup of semolina. I use whole wheat coarse semolina, so always read the label when you buy suji, because many people have concerns regarding the use of suji and wonder whether it is next to maida. But if you buy whole wheat coarse semolina, you are guaranteed that it is a healthier version. Mix everything. Add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Mix well. Set aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, suji should have absorbed the moisture. Preheat oven air fryer OTG convection to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and grease a baking dish. Set aside. Now add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or lime juice. Mix well, and this is homemade apple cider vinegar, and if you are interested to make apple cider vinegar at home with mother, please find the recipe link in description. Mix well. The idea is just to fold it, but this is like more like a loose dough, so don't worry. Now dust the baking dish with flax meal or semolina, whatever you want. Now press the cake batter gently. Tap the tin a few times, 3 to 4 times, to release gas bubbles. I use stainless steel utensils in air fryer. Tapping will release gas bubbles and make the cake fluffy. Bake the eggless chocolate cake at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes or more until a skewer or knife comes out clean. You may even use a fork to check whether the cake is baked or not. Allow the jaggery cake to cool down completely before slicing. To prevent the suji cake from breaking, shift it to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. I cut the cake before it had cooled properly so it got cracks. Slice and enjoy yum chocolate cake with suji or semolina. It is really heavenly and it stayed good for at least 4 to 5 days. I hope you liked this recipe. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care until next time. Bye bye, see you soon.